Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'd like to show you an affordable hack I use to set up a quick release mounting system for articulated arms and other camera equipment. This simple solution gives me the flexibility and effortlessly switch and reposition them for different shooting setups. Additionally, I've designed a dedicated hanger to neatly store them on an IKEA Scotty's pegboard. So, please stay tuned for that. Articulated arms, or so-called magic arms, are versatile tools for mounting small equipment. They are available in various sizes and lengths. However, the process of attaching them to other equipment isn't as quick and easy as I'd like it to be. To solve this, I'll standardize all the connections by using 5/8 spigot studs and a light stand adapter. Spigot studs are commonly used on most light stands. It's a 5/8 cylindrical metal piece with a groove at the center. The groove serves as an additional safety feature for the locking mechanism, allowing you to loosen the lock screw for rotation without the risk of it falling off. It can also be mounted directly to the Manfrotto super clamp. These spigot studs are available in many configurations. My preferred option for the quick release system is a 1/4 female thread on one end and a 3/8 thread on the other. With female thread, you have the flexibility to convert them into male screws, or use a converter to reduce the thread size on the larger end to 1/4. Some sellers offer these studs in sets. With the complete set, you can mount them on almost any equipment. To connect the equipment to the spigots, we need a light stand adapter. These adapters are also available in different options. This is the most premium one I have. It cost about twice as much as the others. It is built with higher quality materials and includes a rubber protective pad. It may be suitable for mounting a camera or expensive equipment. However, for our project, I recommend the cheaper option. It comes with a removable 1/4 male screw, providing greater flexibility when mounting it to the equipment. Additionally, it has an extra hole, allowing you to mount it sideways. You can pre-made several of these for each piece of equipment. The adapter costs me only about $2 on AliExpress. Now let's begin mounting them. For the arm side, such as the magic arm, I will equip them with spigot studs. They usually come with 1/4 male screws. To mount them, simply apply some Loctite to prevent some loosening, and screw the stud onto both ends. If you want, you can also firmly tighten them with some pliers. Then, they're good to go. For the equipment side and clamps, I'll connect them with the lighting adapter. You can attach them directly to the light stand adapter with the 1/4 screw, or use a screw converter as needed. However, I prefer to pre-build the adapter with more generic mounting if possible. This allows me to quickly switch them when needed. For example, the equipment with hot shoe mounts such as small LEDs. I will attach the light stand adapter with a hot shoe bracket. The most compact bracket is a single-way adapter. To attach it, you need to remove the 1/4 screw with an Allen wrench. Then use the 1/4 screw to secure the bracket to the light stand adapter. You can also apply some Loctite on there to make sure there are no twists. With this hot shoe adapter, I usually just leave it attached to the LED, because removing it is quite inconvenient. Depending on your setup, you can also use the 3-way version. It's a bit taller and comes with a 1/4 female thread, so you can screw it directly into the light stand adapter. In my setup, I frequently use Arca Swiss mounts. So I made a couple of these with Arca Swiss clamp. I mainly use them to mount my iPad and mobile phone onto the arm. If you're interested, I've got a quick review of this iPad mount. You can check it out with the link above. To keep things organized and easily accessible, I've made a 3D printed hanger, designed to neatly store them on an IKEA pegboard. If you prefer, you can also mount it on the wall. To attach them to the pegboard, I've remixed a cleverly designed M5 dowel by maker Tom. The remixed version ensures that the hanger won't twist using a single screw. With the dowel, you can use a regular M5 screw to mount things to the pegboard. Simply insert the dowel into the desired pegboard hole and use a 15mm flathead M5 screw to secure the hanger in place. Regarding the adapter hanger, I've discovered that it requires a bit more space on each stud for comfortable storage. To maintain a neat appearance on the pegboard, the stud spacing is restricted by the pegboard holes. Therefore, I'm currently exploring a new location to store these adapters. With both a spigot and light stand adapter, you can pair it to almost anything. Although I cannot cover all the possible combinations in this video, I hope you can get an idea to pair them with your equipment. However, for a smoother workflow, make sure to use the spigot on the arm side and the adapter with the equipment. One final point I want to mention is the importance of being cautious when mounting your equipment. There's always a risk of a failed connection, and your gear could end up taking a nasty fall. And on the arms and clamps, there's a quality concern to consider. I've some cheaper no-name options that might look very similar to the branded one. However, not all of them offer the same level of durability and stability. While the branded option may be more reliable, it's still worth being cautious and double-checking the stability when mounting your equipment. Okay, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed discovering how these little cylindrical pieces of metal can really streamline your photography setup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy making!